Military vision documents are like blueprints for a nation's defense. They outline aspirations, strategies, and goals for the future. These documents are crucial for modern militaries. They provide direction and a shared understanding of future challenges. Bangladesh, a nation with a rich military history, recognizes this importance. Bangladesh understands the importance of a strong national defense. A well-articulated military vision is essential. It ensures the readiness of the armed forces. Vision documents help countries analyze global trends. They help nations adapt to evolving security threats. This proactive approach ensures national sovereignty and territorial integrity. The Bangladesh Armed Forces have a history rooted in valor and sacrifice. Born from the Liberation War of 1971, they represent the nation's indomitable spirit. This historical context is crucial to understanding the evolution of Bangladesh's military vision. Over the years, the Bangladesh Armed Forces have played a critical role in national development. From disaster relief to infrastructure projects, their contributions extend beyond traditional security duties. This commitment to the nation's well-being is a testament to their dedication. Following independence, the armed forces faced numerous challenges. Rebuilding a war-torn nation and establishing a credible defense force were top priorities. Despite limited resources, they demonstrated remarkable resilience and adaptability. Vision 2030 represents a significant milestone in the evolution of the Bangladesh Armed Forces. This comprehensive roadmap outlines the transformation of the armed forces into a modern, technologically advanced, and agile force capable of tackling 21st century security challenges. At its core, Vision 2030 emphasizes modernization across all three branches: Army, Navy, and Air Force. This includes the acquisition of advanced equipment, development of robust cyber defense capabilities, and enhancement of intelligence gathering and analysis mechanisms. A key aspect of Vision 2030 is the focus on strategic partnerships and collaborations with friendly nations. Recognizing the interconnected nature of global security threats, Bangladesh aims to strengthen defense diplomacy and joint training exercises to enhance interoperability and share best practices. Section 4. Pillars of Progress. Key initiatives and modernization under Vision 2030. To achieve the ambitious goals set forth in Vision 2030, the Bangladesh Armed Forces are implementing a range of key initiatives and modernization programs. These initiatives target specific areas identified as crucial for enhancing operational effectiveness and future readiness. One of the primary areas of focus is the modernization of the armed forces arsenal. This includes the procurement of advanced fighter jets, helicopters, tanks, and missiles. The aim is to enhance firepower, mobility, and precision strike capabilities, enabling the forces to effectively counter potential threats. In addition to hardware upgrades, Vision 2030 prioritizes the development of human capital. This involves investing in specialized training programs, both domestically and internationally, to equip personnel with the skills and expertise required to operate and maintain advanced military technologies. Section 5. Forging Global Alliances. International Partnerships and Collaborations. Recognizing the interconnected nature of security challenges in the 21st century, Vision 2030 emphasizes the significance of international partnerships and collaborations. Bangladesh actively seeks to strengthen defense diplomacy and forge strategic alliances with like-minded nations. Collaboration with friendly countries takes various forms, including joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and technology transfer. By participating in joint exercises, the Bangladesh Armed Forces can enhance interoperability, share best practices, and learn from the experiences of their counterparts. Furthermore, Bangladesh's engagement in UN peacekeeping operations reflects its commitment to global peace and security. These deployments provide valuable experience and exposure to diverse operational environments, further enhancing the capabilities of the armed forces.